Hi, hello everyone, welcome to Terra Spatial. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to visualize buildings in 3D. So in order to view the buildings in 3D, two datasets are required. One is we require the building dataset like this, and another thing is each building should be having height. So these two are the important factors. Let me open and show the attribute table of this layer. Here in this column you can find measured height. So this value is must for converting the building from 2D to 3D. So let me close this. The next step will be go to the option view, and here you can see the option convert. So we are going to choose to local scene. Let us wait for a few seconds and let us wait for the data to be loaded. So now you can see the data has been successfully loaded. So now let us set the elevation for this layer. Right click and you can find option properties. Under that you can find elevation. So now features are, so in this case we are going to select the features on the ground. Click on OK. Let it get refreshed. So it has been refreshed. Now you can use the scroll button. Hold on to the scroll button and please bring the cursor to the top, and you can see the 3D view of this building, as you can see here. Hold on to the scroll button, just turn it to right and left. If you move the cursor up and down, you can see the 3D view like this. Use the scroll button to zoom in and zoom out. So while selecting the layer view, and you can find drawing mode. Here you can see defaultly it is in perspective drawing mode. So this normally leaves some spaces between the buildings for better visualization. You can also choose this parallel drawing mode, where the buildings will be kept in a closer manner, packed in a closer manner. So you can see the difference of this both the modes. So now let me bring it to the default. So if you navigate to the appearance, here you can find some options. For example, enable lighting. So enable lighting mode, then you can choose the lighting options. There are different options. Two-sided lighting using data normals. You can see some difference in the lighting, and you can find face cooling. You can see the front face curling. Now if I select back, you can see how it is looking like. You can see the building which is inside, how it is like this. You can view. You can use none, and you can see how it is right now. You can also change the symbology for this layer. In primary symbol, if you choose the symbology, you can set different colors. You can see here how it is right now. Like this, you can set up the color for those buildings. So if you want to choose unique values, you can also choose based on some fields. For example, measured height. Yes. So now you will be seeing the difference in the building colors. You can see how the building looks like. And you can also add some more base maps street maps. Now you can see how it is looking. Likewise, you can add and change the base maps. You can also add the satellite images. So for visualizing it in 3D like this. So thanks for watching. If you have any other doubts on this, you can ask in the comment section. If you want to export this as an image, you can do it. Now here at the top you can find share, and you can see print map, export map. You can select export map, and here you can choose the quality. Here you can set the pixels. You can increase it or decrease it accordingly. Now if you just click on export, it will be exported. Now the file has been exported. Let us see the view of it. You can see the view of this file. You can also use print map option. You can save it as a PDF file. You can choose the orientation, number of copies, quality, then you can just directly print it. So you can give any name for it and save it. Now you can view it. Like this you can export also. So thanks for watching. If you have any other doubts on this, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.